Welcome to Vidyash Academy. Today we learn new concept for discriminant of a quadratic equation. Now the nature of the roots depends upon the value b square minus 4ac. Hence the b square minus 4ac is called the discriminant of a quadratic equation. Now it is denoted by letter as delta symbolic form or simply capital D. That means D is equal to, we have to find value of b square minus 4ac, and this is the discriminant of a quadratic equation. Now to find value of discriminants, I give some important steps, and by using these steps one can easily find the value of discriminant, and this discriminant decides the nature of the roots of a quadratic equation. Now simple steps. First, you have to write given quadratic equation in standard form. As first we have to write quadratic equation in standard form as ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. Now after that we have to compare given quadratic equation to this standard form and write down the values for a, b and for c. Now using these values, for third step we find the value for discriminants, that d is equal to b square minus 4ac. Now by getting these values of b square minus 4ac, we can easily determine or decide the nature of the roots of quadratic equation. In first case, if the value of b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, then the roots are real and equal and equal. If we get value of b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, then the roots are real and equal. And if b square minus 4ac gives value greater than 0, then the roots are real and distinct. Real and distinct. That means here we get two different real roots. And finally, for third case, that if value of b square minus 4ac, that means discriminant, is less than 0, then the roots are not real, are not real. So by using this steps, students can easily determine the nature of the roots of the quadratic equation. We get some idea about the role of discriminant of a quadratic equation. Now we take some important example for better understanding. For example, suppose we have to give one example for we take some, if we have to give one 2 times x square minus 5x plus 6, or we take here minus 6 equals to 0. Now by applying these steps, there is first step is we have to write given quadratic equation in standard form, that ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. Now to solve this quadratic equation, first we write the given equation in standard form. As given equation is in standard form, so we go to the second step as comparing this you are comparing it with standard equation ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0, and we get the values for a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 5, and c is equal to minus 6. Now for third step, we can find the value of discriminant, that is d is equal to b square minus 4ac. Now value of b is minus 5 square. Now 4 times value of a is 2 into value of c is minus 6. Now here we get square of minus 5 is plus 25, and here both numbers having minus signs, therefore its multiplication becomes positive, and it 48. Now we have to add this, we get here 73. Now this value of d is positive 73 and is equal greater than 0 for case 2. Now for this quadratic equation, the nature of the roots are real and distinct. So in this case, for this quadratic equation we write the nature of the roots are real and distinct. For better understanding, students can first note down these steps with this sum. For more, we take some more examples, as suppose we have to given a standard quadratic equation as x square if suppose we have to given some quadratic equation like x square plus 4x plus 4 is equal to 0. Now by using this step, first we have to write the given equation in standard form. As the given equation is already in standard form, we direct go to the second step as compare it with ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. Now comparing this equation with ax square plus bx plus c, we get the values of a equals to 1, b is equal to plus 4, and c is also plus 4. Now to find value of discriminant, we first write third step, d is equal to b square minus 4ac, and put the values of ABC. In this we get square of 4 minus 4 times value of A is 1 and value of C is also 4. Here we get 4 square is 16 minus 16 and their subtraction gives 0. So here we get the value of discriminant B square minus 4AC is equal to 0. Now for this given quadratic equation, the nature of the roots should be the roots are real and equal. Okay. Now we take some more example for to find the nature of the quadratic equation. So students can note down these steps with this sum. As students can do more practice, that action is the fundamental key to all success. So it's very important to do more practice for this discriminant of a quadratic equation. So we take another example. As suppose we have to give one quadratic equation is in the form plus 5x is equal to minus 6. Now by using these steps we have to write first given quadratic equation in standard form. So first step we can write x square plus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. Now for second step we have to compare it with standard equation, standard form of quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 and write the values for a equals to 1, b is equal to 5 and c is equal to 6. Now simply for third step we find the value for discriminant b square minus 4ac. Put the values of b as 5 bracket square minus 4 times value of a is 1 and value of c is 6. Here simply we get 25 minus 24 equal to plus 1. Here again we get positive value for this positive value of discriminant and that describes the roots are real and distinct. So in this way students can get some ideas how to find discriminant and the nature of the roots. Okay, so first we